So you're going to open your gallery and then just begin by clicking any photo. It'll ask you for your email address, so type that in. Once that's in, you may now begin favoriting. So you simply click the heart icon on the images that you want. And then you're going to scroll up, click on favorites. And then here you have the option to remove a photo. And the gallery also offers a note section where you're able to simply leave a note. And you can type anything about removing a hair flyaway. Maybe there's something distracting in the background. I'm always happy to remove little things like that. And then you'll sign out and you are done.